Yo, YouTube! Today we're reacting to Michael Jordan historic mixtape, man. Michael Jordan's historic mixtape. Well, Michael Jordan was oldie like that. I made a reaction to this already, but I have to make another one because my YouTube got deleted. So I might look familiar to y'all. But I'm Gen Z. I'm gonna be rewatching this after a year and see. Last time I was super impressed, but I haven't watched Michael Jordan highlights in a minute, so I gotta see his highlights again and see why people after all these years are still talking about him. To be honest, I've been watching Michael Jordan motivational videos and I just get motivated. Like, I honestly think he plays a big role to like why I keep pushing, you know? So let's get into it. Michael Jordan historic mixtape. I watched The Last Dance earlier this year.
Compete to win. That's all I live for, really. When you lose,
if you don't want to succeed, we don't need you around.
I don't think anyone want to go to that grave forgotten. I'm not here campaigning for the...
I don't think you want to go to that grave forgotten.
I don't think anyone want to go to that grave forgotten. I'm not here campaigning for the best player in the world. I'm not saying that, because everybody plays differently in different eras. It's all I'm not.
But who before Jordan have you seen giving motivation like this? Who before Jordan? Like, let's be real. You guys might say, hey, bro, what are you talking? Like, bro, who before Jordan was giving motivation like this? I'm not gonna go in that grave forgotten.
Saying that, because everybody plays differently in different eras.
It's all like he was just, bro. You got two MJs that were just like, bro, like, they were so advanced for the era, but like it's just crazy.
Talk about the Chicago Bulls is about Michael Jordan, the outstanding rookie from North Carolina.
Coming on this level is a brand new start for me, and I have to start from the bottom and work my way up. So, I think the hard work is ahead of me, and I'm willing to take on that bottom work.
But I feel the aura, bro. I feel the sharks in my veins, bro. I feel, bro, like my blood is boiling, bro. I'm not even exaggerating, bro. Like, look. I'm getting motivated.
My way up, so I think the hard work is ahead of me, and I'm willing to take on that challenge and go out and play the best I can.
Oh my gosh, man!
And play the best I can.
Don't compare this man to DeMar DeRozan. Stop the disrespect, bro.
Challenge and go out and play the best I can.
DeMar's not doing this shit ever. If Michael Jordan played in this era, bro, he would be like, if Michael Jordan was born around this era when he was playing basketball, bro, with how advanced he was, then I think he would be even crazier, even advanced now. It would be crazy, man. He could beat 100 DeMar DeRozans. Oh! Sit down, boy. Sit down, boy. Boom! On your head, bro. Bro, vertical wasn't as advanced at this time, bro. If Michael Jordan was playing in this era, he'd probably be jumping a 60-inch vert or something. Come on, bro. Let's be honest, bro. Let's be honest. Actually think with me. How are you having this high of a vert at this time? They didn't even have as much tools and as much mechanism. The reason why a lot of these people right now have a big vert, bro, is because they're watching social media, bro. Social media, you couldn't go on YouTube and see how to get a bigger vert. Come on. Sit down, boy. Sit down, boy. You're falling off the pump fake, man. You're falling off the pump fake, bro. Sit down, boy. Nice dribble. Sit down. Look at this. This is just beauty. From this point, this man only has 2 steps left. Or 1 step left, right? If he's literally on the ground, how is he gonna make it? Let's see. Look at this. 1 step, actually. Oh, he's cornered. He's not making that. Watch this, buddy. Watch this. Oh, you're just floating. Why are you just flying over people?
Jumps over Terry. Watch it just hang in the air. Everybody else is already down. Over Terry.
Jordan has I don't know, he got a jump glitch. Like, he's just flying. Like, he's just in the air for 20 seconds.
Watch it just hang in the air. Everybody else is already down. When he put. Watch it just hang in the air.
Tell me this is normal.
Down when he puts the shot up.
You don't see anyone doing this today. I don't care, bro.
When he puts the shot up, hang in the air. Everybody else is already down when he puts the shot up.
People ask me, "You really think you can fly?" I said, "Yeah, for a little while."
Bro, this guy. No one's. Look at this. Flight mic.
For a little while.
Look at this. Bro, why am I only a minute in and I'm paused the video? How long is this? It's 8 minutes and I'm only 1 minute in the video, man. I'm only 1 minute in the video. I have to analyze everything, bro. You guys don't understand. Bro, now I see why I was, why I reacted the way I did when I made that last reaction, bro.
And that's what I'm talking about.
Not gonna lie, no one's doing this in an NBA game. No one is ever doing this in an NBA game. Even in maybe an All-Star game, but come on. No one's doing this in a regular season game. I'm just saying, man.
And that's what I'm talking about. When he jumps over the turn the trip on the horn. Overtime. Basket is Jordan Steele.
Sit down, boy. Someone tell Cash Nasty to react to this, bro. I want Cash Nasty to react to this and see the greatness, man. I respect LeBron, yes, but like Michael Jordan's the definition of I'm gonna get it regardless, bro. If Michael Jordan had a weak mindset, he would never make it this far. I don't care, man. I don't care, bro. He would have never made it this far. Without his mindset, bro, he would just be a bum, averaging 2 points per game. Why is he looking like this, bro? In the 90s, come on. Why is he looking? Oh! Shout out Larry Bird. I respect him. I respect Larry Bird. I know my homework about Larry Bird. I've seen his story. Real badass, bro. I'll do a reaction to him. I gotta really react to his highlights, but I reacted to his story, bro. I respect Larry Bird. I'll do a Larry Bird reaction if you guys want me to.
Looking at an all-time record. Oh boy, Michael Jordan. Michael down the lane, jammed it. Michael Jordan.
Jelly. Oh my gosh, bro. You don't even know what to do with this scenario, bro. You're just eating the floor, bro. You don't know what to do. You're just sitting down on the floor, bro. Come on, no sitting there in an NBA game. That's only for bench time, boy. Okay, bro. Okay, nah. Okay, let me stop. Let's keep playing. I gotta stop pausing.
Will he elevate? Wow. Jordan eluding a triple G.
But every time he dunks ferociously, I could just feel him dunk it. Who else could feel that, man? I could just feel him.
5 seconds to go. Jordan off the glass.
Boom, boy.
People are starting to forget that when I play basketball, I don't play conservative.
But I think I found my motivation, bro. Like, if you want motivation towards life, use this man's career and use this mixtape. Seriously.
I play all out.
I'm sorry for all the pausing. I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry. But I can't ignore everything. Imagine you dunk that.
They're going to double off the ball. The inbounds pass comes into Jordan. Here's Michael at the foul line. A shot on Elo. Good! The Bulls win! They
I'm not going to talk about him. He looks like he's 5'1". Kevin? I don't care, bro. Michael Jordan is my goat. My goat, bro. My goat. My goat. Boom, boy. Okay, but let's just sit here and talk. No social media. It doesn't have any social media. It made the biggest impact of his generation ever, bro. It was talked about. Him and MJ controlled their generations, but you still talk dang near 30 years later. 30 years going on 40 years later, bro. Still talked about, and people are still bringing them up, bro. And people are still saying, I just heard a NBA reporter saying that Michael Jordan and Larry Bird could still play in this generation, man. And let's just talk about that. And let's talk about how he gets what he wants, bro. He could go for the 2, bro. He could go for the 2 all game, bro. He doesn't rely on 3s. I see in an interview, bro. He's not just gonna go for the 3, bro. He's like, I don't like it, bro. His new players, they just shoot the 3. Maybe that was him or maybe that was Kobe. I don't remember.
Jordan. Spectacular move by Michael Jordan. And the Chicago Bulls have won their first ever NBA championship.
Here we are with Michael. Is there a feeling of a passing of the torch, Magic Johnson, to you?
Oh, without a doubt. Everybody knew that it was coming. It's just when. When was he going to be ready to receive coming?
Johnson, to you?
Oh, without a doubt.
Bro, if I was Magic Johnson over here, bro, I would be shitting my pants, bro. I know you could feel Michael Jordan glaring at you, but like it just feels like a laser at your back, man. I know you feel the anxiety.
I knew that it was coming. It's just when. When was he gonna be ready to receive it and take it? And boy, did he receive it and take it.
I think he's talking to Matumbo.
He closed his eyes on that, it still went in. He's all smart.
Oh my God! Yeah! And a foul!
What a way to start the season.
Yeah! And a foul!
What a way to start the season.
Yeah! And a foul!
What a way to
Look at like Derrick Rose, bro. Jumps up like 60 inches high.
start the season.
Nice pass. How do you even swipe that? That has to be the meanest and one ever, bro. That has to be the most badass and one ever. Who else thinks Michael Jordan could have got 7? Who else thinks he could have got 7? There was a lot of things that happened, gambling, losing his father, everything, bro. A lot of tragic stuff happened during his career, but he said that he could get 7. I believe him. I think he could get 9. You know, if he hadn't got injured during the Wizard days, but I think Michael Jordan could have played to like 50, 45, you know. And mind you, he probably doesn't have all these rings because of, you know, him retiring and coming back, him and going out and in the league, you know. He retired 3 times, I think, or 2 times, 3 times. But why does this video not have my save searches on? Why is this video not blurred out right now? Why is this video not blurred out right now? Why is he doing all this stuff? Like, mind you, we're only 8 minutes in, and I made like 400 pauses, and all those pauses were reasonable. This video should have save search. AI robots, the AI humans in 50 years are gonna be thinking this guy was human. Even they can't build up something like that, man. AI couldn't do shit with this.
Okay, if there's one AI site builder you need to meet, it's this dope.
How do I? You see, man, why do I get an AI ad after mentioning that?
From Wix.
Jordan gets the step on deck. Super play.
The intensity. Mind you, this is super fast.
Super play.
If all those displays are dribbles, you would think he was gonna shoot this too, but he just dunked.
Challenges and slams. Time left in the right-hand corner of your screen. They've got a foul to take in the last 2 minutes. If they take it, Michael goes again. Jordan! Oh, yeah! Michael has saved his best for last. Gross drives it. Michael Jordan! How high can you get up? He draws the middle. Oh, yeah! How did he do that? How did he do that? How did he know? Beautiful play. Michael looks over.
Look at Michael Jordan skating. But you know, you just feel the grit, but you just know he's trying super hard. He literally made new handles. He's dribbling so hard, bro. Who does that now? Who's touching the floor while dribbling? That's how you know he's dribbling so hard.
Michael looks over at us and said, he can't guard me. He can't guard me.
Tell him.
6,
Tell him.
5, 4. Michael Strip got it back. 3, 2. Michael Ball fires. The ball man looks at the crowd.
Baseline left. Oh, no. Oh, no. Michael Jordan at his best with very few people on this planet that can. Seconds to go, the shot clock is 15 to the ball game. Michael will take it. He's fouled. He scores!
I tell you, he's just simply amazing.
We knew he was coming back, and now.
Yo, bro, am I the only one? You guys are watching this video with me too. That I just felt like they watched a full movie in 16 minutes. That was only 12. That was only 12 minutes of it, though. I feel like I watched 2 movies.
We know when, and the news is music to the ears of Bulls fans. Michael Jordan will be in uniform for the Chicago Bulls, and Michael summed up his decision to return in 2 words: "I'm back."
Today, an artist returns to his true canvas, the hardwood courts of the NBA. Michael Jordan is back.
Once again, Bill Jackson and the Bulls say, "Take us home, Michael." And he does. On the report, 45 is in mothballs, 23 is back.
How do you even do that for basketball? How do you even do that?
He keeps on delivering for Chicago, right?
The Bulls finished the regular season 72 wins, just 10 losses, and a ball club that set NBA history.
If someone cried to this, bro, I wouldn't judge them at all, but I would totally understand it.
On the year.
One at the line, they leave him open. Oh, the Bulls are on.
My God. Oh, that was a sound effect, but bro, then that shit might have sounded louder in person.
Michael Jordan. And here is Michael, 4 on the shot clock now. Keeps it on the dribble. Russell's there. Here he is. Pull up 18-footer. Yes! And the buzzer! Michael Jordan shows again why he is the #1 MVP in the world. Jordan clears. To win it. There he is! There he is! Ring it up! Michael Jordan has beaten the whole city.
My #1 is Michael Jordan and then Russell Westbrook. Like, those are my 2 favorites. Okay. Yeah, people are gonna get so angry, but if they ever see this clip, I could just see it. Like, people giving me, like, assaulting me. Like, I could just see it, bro. Like, I might want to take back those words, but, like, those are my 2 inspirations.
You know what? Strength is one thing, but lots of guys are strong, and lots of guys have skill, and only one guy has this level of artistry.
Maybe Michael Jordan. Put Kobe in there. Then Westbrook.
MJ. Oh, Michael shakes the finger. He finally got his dunk on top and tumble.
I know he's seen a hallucination of the ball. I know he's seen a hallucination of the ball. He said, wait, the ball's not, where did the ball go? And you just see it still on Michael Jordan's hand.
Down 1, 17 seconds from game 7.
I lost 26 pounds. 26 pounds I lost the game with this shot.
11, 10.
The drive, hangs, fires, yeah! He scores! The Bulls lead 87-86.
If that's the last image of Michael Jordan,
people say that's a push
shot.
That's
the
not.
Last image.
Okay, hold on. But you can barely push that part of your. You could barely push that part. You could barely push a grown man like this, but maybe a kid, but you can't push a grown man from there. That's pretty.
Of Michael Jordan.
That's not a push off.
How magnificent is it?
He literally. That's on him, bro. He ran, and he slipped, bro. Let a scientist react to that. That's not a push off. I'm being dead ass. Michael Jordan. Oh, imagine. I wish I got to see Michael Jordan play. That would have been crazy. Crazy time back then. But I know y'all loved it, man. Going to a Michael Jordan game. If any of you guys been to a Michael Jordan game, like, let me know. Like, that time might have been magical. But hey, that's the end of the video. I'm gonna see y'all.